Welcome to this video. Today, we are going to install Android Studio and emulator with very easy steps. Whether you are new to mobile application development or just want to brush up on your skills, this video will show you everything you need to know, step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you will know how to download and install Android Studio and emulator. So, let's get started. Open your desired browser. Copy link which has been provided in description, paste in the browser and hit the enter button. This will take you to the downloading page. Click the Download Android Studio button. It will open Terms and Condition page. You will just have to read and accept terms and condition and click the download button in your desired directory. I have already downloaded the X file, so I cancelled to download the Android file. As of now, you have completed the first step of installation of Android Studio and Android emulator. Now go to the directory where you have downloaded the Android file. Double-click the file and installation will be started soon. Select the installation directory. I will suggest to keep the same directory which is being suggested by Android Studio. For safe side, select the uninstall older version. This will help to work with smooth experience. Finally, installation has been started. In first iteration, it is extracting the core files of Android Studio. Installation has been completed successfully, and let's start Android Studio. Once it is started, it will check required packages inside machine. If not found, it will download automatically. You need to install Android SDK to deal with Android Studio. Make sure to download these files like emulator, SDK build tools, platform tools and sources for Android. When you accept the terms and condition, it will fetch the required files from different sources and download. Make sure you are connected with stable internet connection. In case firewall or security type issues, you can also hit URL directly by copy and paste into the browser. It will let you know if any restriction is existed for such URL. Let's wait till the downloading and installation of such tools have been finalized. Finally, Android Studio has been installed. Let's download the virtual device. Press Windows button and search Android Studio and open. Select More Action tab and click the Virtual Device Manager. Create virtual device and select phone from left side. Here you can see multiple devices Android. You can download any device, but as of now I will prefer to install Pixel 5. Select Pixel 5 and press the next button. In the next window, you will have multiple version of same device. I always prefer stable version, so select S and press download button. It will take you to the window where downloading device will be started. Make sure you should have high-speed open internet access during this phase. Once it's successfully installed, look at right side if any dependency is still needed to be installed. Here Hacksum is required to be downloaded, so just press the link and install with default settings by pressing next button. It will also take you to the downloading page and will start downloading. Hacksum has also been installed successfully. Let's open the Android Studio and run the virtual device. As you can see, device is being started. Wait and see when the device is ready. Finally, you can see emulator has been installed. In conclusion, I hope this tutorial has provided you with a clear understanding of how to Android Studio and emulator, from download the setup file to the installation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Flutter tutorials and updates. By subscribing, you'll stay up to date with the latest content and be part of our growing community of mobile application development. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.